controversy hovering over the upcoming World Cup in Qatar, a country with distinctly different cultural norms and practices from many of the other 31 nations set to visit for the showpiece event. I think all the grumbling and the complaints about the laws and culture of Qatar are intolerant and impolite. I mean, how practical is it for the nation of Qatar to overhaul and reverse these laws and customs they have developed and practiced since their existence as an independent nation? How likely is that to happen? Instead of people trying to re-socialize Qatar, I think the visitors going into the people them country should have simply abide by them rule. Watch the World Cup, and when the World Cup done, go back a few no yard and live by your values and norms. This is like me having a party at my house and me make it clear, so no pork, no eating at my house, because I am a Rasta man and I don't believe in eating pork. So some of my invited guests decide to start protests and make a bag of noise. Say them have a right to eat pork anytime, anywhere. No, you don't. Not in my house. When you reach back of your yard, then you eat all the pork you want. If you want, you can eat all the grunt.